Today, I want to teach you how to change the facade of this building using Photoshop. Follow along with me as we go through this process step by step. For this building, I want to use these two wood textures. I downloaded these two textures from the website polyhaven.com. As you can see, this site offers various textures, and you can download any one you like. I downloaded the first texture from here and the second texture from here. Let's go back to Photoshop. I plan to use this texture for the front facade of the building and this texture for the back facade. First, we need to convert these textures into patterns. To do this, go to the Edit tab and click on Define Pattern. Give the pattern a specific name. Repeat the same process for the second texture. Now, let's select the front facade of the building. Using the Quick Selection tool, select this area. With the shortcut Ctrl+J, create a copy of the selected area. To cover the selected area with the desired texture, click on FX and select Pattern Overlay. The Layer Style window will open. Here, we can choose the desired texture, change its scale, adjust its angle, modify its opacity, and set the blend mode to multiply to preserve the ambient lighting. Finally, click OK. Let's take a look at the result together. Next, we repeat the previous steps for the areas where we want to apply the second texture. Use the Quick Selection tool to select the area. With the shortcut Ctrl+J, create a copy of the selected area. Click on FX and select Pattern Overlay. Choose the desired texture and apply the same settings as before. Now, let's view the final result together. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching.